YouTube Wagwan, man. You know it's your boy Click that you're tuning in to Click React. I seen that NBA YoungBoy just dropped his music video for Hi Haters, and I don't know, man. He's been extra funny in the media lately. I don't know if you guys seen that video that he just posted. I think it was like yesterday about it's like a message, it's like a positive message, and it's just about like, oh, he doesn't want people to be beefing and killing and all that stuff, like, you know, get money and stuff like that. And I 100% agree with her. Whether he's trolling or not, the right message is there. And for some reason, this guy's fans are different, man. Like they ride out for this nigga, bro. So typically his music is fire to me. You know, it's not how he's saying, it's just a vibe of his songs. The reason people play NBA YoungBoy, you know those memes of like, oh, people that listen to NBA YoungBoy, they mow the lawn like this and whatever. His music is fire, and he has his fans for a reason, man. So we're just gonna be reacting to that music video, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like. You know, you're not only liking the song, you're liking my video. It helps, you get me. And let me know what you think about the song, man. Let me know what you think about the video, and we're just gonna get right into it as usual, man. Peace. Now as my mind caught hold upon this thought, I cried within my heart, "O Jesus, thou Son of God, have mercy on me. Who am I in the gall of bitterness, and I am encircled about by the everlasting chains of death." Okay, don't know what that really truly means, but let's see what this music video is about. This is my first official hearing of the song too. 36 or say, okay. Cool. Cool. Hey. Was that one of his kids, I guess? Hey, that probably take him. I did say I think the beat is alright. This is not my kind of beat, like, you know, compared to Never Broke Again and stuff like that. But let me give it a chance to see what it is. But I'm so up, I don't get one fuck, God, I say thank you. Hit your artist with them cans. Buddy, you pick on me, just wait to see, bitch, I'm gonna spike. Alright, that shit is fire. That shit is fire. The lyrics are going in on this one. It's not just about how it sounds. Like, let me just pull that shit back. That shit, I think it's fire so far. But I'm so up, I don't get one fuck, God, I say thank you. Hit your artist with them K's. Hit your artist with them K's. We know this man is not a stranger to beef. Buddy, you pick on me, just wait to see, bitch, I'm gonna spank you. 10 minute real estate to the rich, that's embarrassment, but I'm big on it. Been on it, I get that money and I sit on it. Nails got some paint up on it, but play no IKEA. I was just about to say, I did not know that this man paints his nails. Like, big on me. I got the Vinci brand chain, outfit 3 times your rent on it. Tell my mama send a hand, I'ma send it back. What type of whip is that? This song is different, man. I'm not gonna lie. I think it's tough because it's not the usual, you know. It's not like he's not talking about, you know, ops and whatever the case may be. He's still talking about that shit, but it's just a different vibe to it. And there's a more of a positive energy in this song. So I like it. No, I push it up behind it, but babe, I change. I was feeling play. Should've shot the bitch up in his face. Wanna say stop violence, but it don't add up to my name. No, I ain't praying, I bust his brain like, boy, you best respect the game. I'ma duck continue with that ignorant shit, cause I'm a wealthy man. Try and pray 5 times a day, name another Christian, do the same. And I gotta thank the Lord for my kids. Yeah, the flow is different on this one. The flow is sick. It's not the usual flow on this shit. I like it. I can't lie. I think this shit is fire. Man. Let me know what you guys think.
Nigga trying to cut me cross my wig behind this board that we did. Hope you don't think you coming in here, putting me up, it won't big. Come test your luck, I won't see it. Drop the next 10 to the speed. I'm like, mama, these niggas don't want no problems. These women wanna sex away my problems. Free my
I said these women want to sex away my problems.
as well give away to my problems. They be hating, I'm like, oh, ain't my problem. Tired of haters, I say, hey, I made it through another day.
I look like a. This actually looks like some JDM ride. Like this shit is crazy.
Blitz so I can
Clean. I haven't seen anybody use like cars like this in a minute for a music video. I could be wrong though, but like no old school type of JDM. Like these aren't the cool cars anymore. It's not a Lamb Chop, a G-Wag, a Lambo, a McLaren. You know what I'm saying? So it's cool. It's different. One thing about this man that is also different is his style, man. I wouldn't wear this, but I guess it's for different type of people. The fit looks good for him, but I definitely wouldn't wear it. But his style is definitely different, man. This guy, I guess it's a thing where when you're at a certain level in life, you can just be yourself, and it's cool when people can just do what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? So I see.
No, I push it up behind the day, but babe, I changed. I was finna play. Should've shot the bitch up in his face. I'm working hard through all my problems, hustling on my.
Even his voice sounds different on this one to me for some reason. Like you can tell it's the same, you know what I mean? But I don't know if it's a different tone or pitch. Like, I don't know what it is, man.
When they sleep, no excuses at all. I'm the man inside my home. I'm gotta provide it, but all my niggas been sliding. We gotta stay violent through the shit. Don't like violence now one bit. Might just come on and call my mama.
Gotta stay violent through the shit. Don't like violence one bit.
Keep me rolling, I'll stay strong. I'm winning on these bitches, I say, amen. My shades, they balance, they ain't red. Better try harder to open a can on these fools. Any be fans ain't.
Isn't that crazy? Like when you just like, oh, my shades Balenci, they ain't Ray-Bans or whatever. Like Ray-Bans were the glasses for the longest time. Like if you didn't have Ray-Bans, you ain't saying shit type of thing, right? Like that's crazy that they're not. It's not obviously they're still popular. I still have my fucking Ray-Bans and shit, but they really think style is really recycled, is what I should say.
My bands on them dudes. About extra land and they got the same view as my house, way too cool. Gotta keep that stick inside my pants like baboon.
Yeah.
They know I'm not friendly, I wasn't bitten, I hate all of you. Watch my nails. Tell the boys and girls on top of my go to hell. Yeah, hating on me, I hope you can't prevail. They won't beef, got them waiting on me, cause I know they probably up call 12. Can't be looking up the niggas, don't even look up to they self. Don't set yourself up for the fail.
Cannot be looking up to niggas. They don't even look up to themselves. You don't even like yourself, man. Can't fuck with you. Facts.
To all the people that be talking down on me, nigga. It's all good. All good. I'm ballin'. Yeah. They ain't taking it away from us now. At all.
Yeah, I fuck with the message of this song, man. Like, you know, obviously he gets a lot of hate from a lot of people, bro. And he really don't care. And it's a hard thing to do, to go through life having people hate on you and not give a shit. But the man doesn't care. You have to respect that. He's still doing his thing.
Everybody living good. Shit. If you ain't living good, I know I gave you. That's on your body. Yeah, man. You ain't gotta like me.
Honestly, this music video looks like it's shot in Canada. I don't know if I'm being biased because of snow. Like it snows in America, of course, but wait, it doesn't snow in Louisiana. Oh hell no, it don't. This car is clean, bro. This one a banger. This one a banger still. Huh? Well, you got something that you got an outro.
Welcome to my classic.
Nigga, wow.
How many pairs you got in here?
I don't know. Shit. I got a lot more upstairs. I had to come down here so Jazz could have more space. Shit.
Damn, bro.
I need a jacket though to put on so we can go outside and let the dog use the restroom, bro.
Yo, it's crazy how he talks, right? Like he talks like he's a gangster or whatever, and then he says like, it's not like polite things I would say, but just proper. He's like, oh, I gotta put on a jacket so the dog can go outside and use the restroom. Like what? That's a crazy ass closet though. I ain't gonna lie.
Thank clothes out my pants or some shit. Thank you for being my friend.
Yo, nigga different, bro. What song is this? Oh, this a banger too. I need to get caught up on my NBA YoungBoy music, man. Baby girl keep tweaking, she won't smoke on dope. Get shot down. You can run up on me, nigga, like I ain't got my pole. I feel like that I'm the biggest flex of all time. She seen them hundreds in my pocket, now she on me now. I got big money on my phone, so I can't talk right now. I gotta keep my ass on point, it could go down right now. I'm trying to hide behind a curtain, diamond shining, got me nervous. Those jeans go hard still. I hope these niggas don't try to play me right now, it's gonna be a murder. I got that $3 AP. Jury all on foes, make them see. Turned up on these hoes when I pull up. Yo, it's a big ass closet, let's be real. And this fit is loud as fuck to me. I could not wear this shit.
For real.
Nah, that hard. Listen, man, say stop. Hey. Roy Jones, son.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck who you feel say. You could be in your prime. You ain't whooping Roy in they prime, son. That's strictly like this, son. Roy Jones. The best he get, bitch. Real talk. You can debate all day on it. You can say Butterbean. You can say Muhammad. Hey, I respect it, but man, you ain't fucking
Butterbean had the mitts, though. Butterbean had the mitts on him, bro.
Hey, I wish we could go back in time, bitch. You put Roy in his prime.
Yeah, that nigga.
Put Butter in his prime.
Oh God, yeah.
He gonna go down.
Yeah,
He come on. Come on, man.